Hello student, today we are going to discuss here about the formation of the rainbow. The formation of rainbow, two things are very essential. One is there should be rainy season, and second thing is the presence of the sun. And we often see in rainy season the pattern of rainbow in the sky. The in the pattern of rainbow in the sky, its center should be anti-solar point. This means if rainbow, we see rainbow in front of me, then the sun would be the behind of me. So the direction of the sun and the rainbow would be just opposite to each other. And the how rainbow is formed in the sky, the this is going through the mechanism while the white light ray is incident on the spherical droplet, then the reflection of light and dispersion of color, and thereafter the internal reflection of light. These are the steps. By these steps we get the rainbow in the sky. So our our eye visualize a angle that is from the emergent ray, and the in between the incident ray, that ray is incident on the spherical droplet. When your primary rainbow, the angle for visualized angle by our eye, that would be 42 degree, and for the violet it would be 40 degree, and the secondary rainbow is reversed from it. So we over here the understand the mechanism how to form the rainbow here. So let us explain here. So in primary rainbow, this is a water droplet. This is a water drop. When the white ray incident, white ray incident on this water droplet, this is the optical normal of the sphere. This is a spherical droplet. So we know when light ray, this is air, when light ray comes from rare to denser medium, if bent towards the normal. So this is the reflected ray, this is the refracted ray, and some part of ray is transmitted here, and some part of ray is refracted here. So again reflection here, and finally this is the optical normal here. So we know when light ray comes from the denser to rare, it move away from the normal. It bends away the normal. So suppose this is white ray, and this is the pattern for red ray, and we know for the violet ray the refractive index is more, and wavelength for the violet ray is least, and scattering for the violet ray is more. So we can say the for violet rays there is more deviation. So this violet ray more deviate in comparison to red ray. So this is the violet ray, and this internally reflected here. So after internal reflection, this would be like that. This pattern. So here we see this is the incident ray, this also incident ray, and the angle between this is red ray, this is violet ray, and angle between this would be 42 degree and this would be 40 degree. So this is our eye. I visualize this pattern. This ray is coming to eye, and our eye visualize this pattern. So angle of red color light is more and violet color light is least. So here in the, this is primary rainbow. This is primary rainbow, and is this pattern, the violet color is here and red color is upper side. This is primary rainbow, and rest 5 color is inside the this pattern. Red rest color. This is the pattern VIVGYOR. This is violet. This is indigo. This is blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This is the color pattern, violet to red. So in primary rainbow, the violet color is lower side and red color is upper side. This is the for primary rainbow. Here the internal reflection is 1 var. So internal reflection is one time only. And here internal reflection of light is only one time. So for secondary rainbow, the pattern is like this. Here the incident ray is here, and here the center of the, so ray refracted here. This is refracted ray, and here rays reflected, and here also reflected. So here two times reflection is here. First reflection and second reflection. This is two times internal reflection, and the, this is the optical normal here. This is also optical normal here. This is also optical normal here. So some light is reflected here, and some light is transmitted here. The transmitted light, and some light is transmitted here. So transmitted light like this. Transmitted light. This is optical normal. So after light rays comes from denser, this is denser medium, this is rare medium, is deflect away the normal, this is normal, this is normal, deflect away the normal, and this is the red ray, and for violet ray this pattern would be like this, and this is violet, this is violet, this is red. So we observe here, this is violet, this is red, this is violet ray, this is red ray, and this is incident ray, this is incident ray. So this is for violet, this is for red. So angle for violet would be more. So this would be, this would be 52 to 53 degree, or this would be 51 to 52 degree, 50 to 51 degree, 50 to 51 degree. So this is the angle between incident ray and emergent ray for red color. This is the angle between the incident ray and emergent ray. This is incident ray, this is emergent ray, this is incident ray, this is emergent ray. So incident ray is this. So we draw here the incident ray. So we draw here the incident ray. So angle between the incident ray and emergent ray for violet color is more here. So the secondary pattern, it is the secondary pattern. So here the red color, here the red color is here and here is the violet color. So because of violet color is more angle here, subtended angle is more. So our eye see this pattern like this. So rest color is remaining here, and so we conclude here the intensity of primary rainbow. This is secondary rainbow. This is secondary rainbow. The intensity of primary rainbow is more intensity, and this have low intensity. So this C bright contrast, this C less bright. So primary rainbow is bright C and secondary rainbow is not brightly C by ourselves. So this is the phenomena of formation of rainbow. So as the here we see the wavelength of white color is least and red color wavelength is more, and scattering for red color is least and scattering for red violet color is most. Because of we use the red signal so that we see from far distance, because of red color have more wavelength and least scattering. This color least scattered and would be seen by the long distance. So we use red signal, and our sky is blue because of blue color is more scattered, and the combined effect the blue color seems the sky would be in blue color because of blue color had more scattering. So these phenomena I discuss here. I hope by this topic you built up your concept, and thanks for watching this video and take care.